Welcome you all in a new video of MCQ series, and in this video we will discuss about refraction of light MCQ, and hope you all have revised the chapter once and then you are here and must watch the part 1 and part 2 of reflection of light. It will shown on the I button. So starting with the question 1, which of the following materials can't be used to make a lens? Water, glass, plastic, clay. And I think you all know the answer, and option D is correct. Which of the following lens would you refer to use while reading small letters found in dictionary? Convex lens of focal length 50 cm, concave lens of focal length 50 cm, convex lens of focal length 5 cm, concave lens of focal length 5 cm. And for question 2, option C is correct. For reading a small letter, we need a convex lens of a smaller focal length. Now question 3, where should an object be placed in the front of the convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object at the principal focus of lens at a twice of the focal length at infinity between the optical center of the lens and its principal focus? And for question 3, option B is correct. Now question 4, a convex lens of focal length 20 cm is placed in contact with a concave lens of focal length 10 cm. The power of the combination is 10 diopter, minus 10 diopter, minus 5 diopter, 5 diopter. And here is the simple numerical, and option C is correct. Now question 5, which of the following figures shows refraction of light while going from denser to rarer medium? Just observe the diagrams. And now for this, option B is correct. Now question 6, which of the following figures shows no reflection of light when it is incident normally on a boundary of two media? And here are the diagrams, and you all have to observe it carefully, and option A is correct. Now question 7, a glass slab appears to be less thick than it actually is. This is because glass is transparent medium, glass is denser medium, glass slab shows no refraction, bottom of glass slab appear to be raised, and option D is correct. Here no need of any explanation. Now question 8, no refraction occur at a boundary that separate two media of equal reflective indices. Which of the following figure shows such type of refraction? And here are the diagrams, and option A is correct. Now question 9, which of the following correctly shows refraction of rays of light from a convex lens? And just notice the diagrams, and option C is correct. Now question 10, which of the following correctly shows refraction of a ray of light from a concave lens? And see, in this chapter diagrams are very important. If you don't know, then just revise it. And for this, option A is correct. Now question 11, the focal length of a combination of convex lens of power 1 diopter and concave lens of power minus 1.5 diopter is 2 meter, 2 meter, 2.5 meter, and 0.5 meter. And for this, option A is correct, minus 2 meter. Now question 12, the linear magnification of a concave lens is always positive but less than 1. This is because a concave lens forms real image only, virtual image only, virtual, erect, and diminished image irrespective of position of the object, none of this. And option C is correct. Now question 13, a virtual, erect, and magnified image can be formed by convex lens only, concave lens only, both convex and concave lens, neither convex nor concave lens. And for this, option A is correct. And here is the explanation. And now question 14, you are given mustard, oil, water, glycerin, and kerosene. In which of these media a ray of light incident obliquely at the same angle would bend most? Water, glycerin, kerosene, and mustard oil. And this question is very important as it was in the last year exam, and option B was correct. Which of the following shows incorrect refraction in case of convex lens? Observe the diagram carefully. And for this, option B and D are correct. Now for question 16, which of the following shows incorrect refraction of ray of light in the case of concave lens? And here must be also two answers. And here option C and D shows incorrect refraction in concave lens. If the point of convergence of rays of light lies close to the optical center of convex lens, its converging ability is unity, more, less, infinity. And option B is correct. Now the last question, question 18. SI unit of power is meter, watt, kilowatt, diopter. And you must know the answer. And option D is correct, diopter. Now we have done all the questions, and so write down in the comment how many marks you got and just subscribe the channel, and for any handwritten notes just contact on the following addresses. Thanks.